black pepper duck chickpea flour fried fritters, or black pepper duck garbanzo flour fried fritters, or kali mirch duck pakoda. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the duck recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fritter recipes and one of the most unique of the pepper recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the chickpea flour recipes and one of the most delicious of the chickpea recipes and one of the most unique of the Garbanzo Beans recipes and one of the most delicious of the beans recipes and one of the most different of the snacks recipes. Today we're going to make black pepper duck chickpea flour fried fritters. We have to first boil the duck with black pepper. From which we will take 100 grams of cooked duck meat, around 100 to 150 grams of cooked duck meat. We cooked with black pepper for around 30 minutes in the pressure cooker. 15 grams of ginger, around 40 to 50 grams of shallot, 15 grams of garlic, salt to taste, and a spoon of black pepper. Around 100 to 125 grams of chickpea flour or garbanzo beans flour. Put in the shallots and the garlic and the ginger and the duck meat, along with the salt to taste and the black pepper powder into the chickpea flour. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Pour in around 50 to 75 ml of water, little by little, and mix. So as to make a uniform paste. Thoroughly mix. Until all the ingredients are nicely mixed. Now this can be used to make fritters. $50 to $60 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the packet and let it fry. flame, drain off the oil, put in the next. Set a batter and let it fry. Turn it in. Let it fry for two. Now take off the pan, drain off the oil, and put it onto the plate. Now take off the pan and onto the plate. Put in the next. Batter. Let it fry. Turn it on. Keep on turning side to side. This until all the fritters are nicely cooked. Now take off the pan and drain off the oil. Final black pepper duck chickpea flour fried fritters, or black pepper duck garbanzo flour fried fritters, or duck pakoda, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the duck recipes and one of the most unique of the fritter recipes and one of the most unique different of the chickpea flour recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the garbanzo beans recipes and one of the most delicious of the fritter recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the snacks recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.